Maybe you've seen this on some 3D printers and wonder how does it happen and what you can do to prevent it. This is a result from failed bed adhesion. When the first layers are going down, instead of sticking to the build plate, the filament balls up around the nozzle, and if it's not caught in time, it will continue to accumulate until it destroys the tool head. In that case, with the Bambu printer, it'll detect that there's something wrong with the electronics and stop. But you can prevent this by simply keeping your build plate clean. I use glass cleaner, funny enough, to clean my build plates. Some people use isopropyl alcohol, some people use dish soap. But more importantly, once you clean the build plate, keep it clean. Don't remove the prints with your fingers. Remove the prints with a tool or something else. And for what it's worth, it's not a bad idea to monitor the first layers of a print as it goes down, because that could prevent all this.